ZENY 61-key portable electric keyboard piano with built-in speakers, LED screen, headphones, microphone, piano stand, music sheet stand and stool. Multifunctional electric keyboard piano built-in speakers provides quality sound, 300 timbres, 350 rhythms. RockJam Xfinity Heavy Duty, XX, pre-assembled, infinitely adjustable piano keyboard stand with locking straps. Alesis Recital Pro 88-key digital piano keyboard with hammer action weighted keys, 2x20W speakers, 12 voices, record and lesson mode, FX and display. Start playing professional keys today. The ultimate beginner's digital piano loaded with 12 expertly crafted voices and powerful educational features. Universal responsive feel 88 premium full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Connectivity covered built-in 20W speakers, 1/4-inch sustained pedal input. Muster 88-key weighted heavy hammer action keys digital piano for beginner, Bluetooth, USB MIDI, MP3, power adapter, triple pedals, LCD screen and cloth cover function, black/brown color black. A stylish design, wood effect, furniture style stand complete with triple pedal board. Our MD 4400 full-size 88 heavy hammer action weighted keys digital piano will give you an acoustic piano feeling during touch. The keys will reflect touching heavier in the low end and lighter in the high. Bluetooth wireless connectivity enables access to music apps on smartphones and tablets. USB/MIDI terminal allows you to connect the digital piano to computer or mobile device with a wide variety of music entertainment applications to lean or create your music. '61 keyboard piano with LED screen, and it is equipped with a detachable stand to hold sheet music. This electronic keyboard is very suitable for beginners and players of all levels, suitable for children and adults.